Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marissa and today I'll be recreating this makeup look that I did the other day on Instagram. So it was requested, so here we are. So before we go ahead and get into this look, I do want to say don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. And if you are subscribed to my channel, don't forget to touch the post notification. That way you're notified when I upload a video and you don't miss my videos. And yeah, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. So this is the makeup look. So let's get into it. We're going to be using Take Me Back to Brazil. We will be using all the pinks and all the yellows, mixing them up. So it doesn't matter how you grab them, how you use them, we're going to use them all. To start off, we'll be using Better Skin Concealer, and we're going to apply this on our eye. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and let that dry just for a little bit, and you'll know when it's the perfect time to go ahead and do it, because it won't look as wet as it looks right now. Right, so with our sponge that's already wet, we're going to go ahead and blend it. I like to push in and like sweep, like in and sweep. Alright, so the yellow is gonna go on top as so. Do you guys see that? And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply as much, like the tone I want exactly. So if you have to keep on packing some on, go ahead and do so. So with this one, I'm just gonna dab, 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 and then blend. And without adding any more on, we're just gonna go ahead and whatever products on there, start blending very lightly with our hand up. Like so. This white you have, maybe like the concealer we used, and then look up, and wherever it marks on the top, that's where I'm going to start doing my crease. And you're going to try and bring the line, start having a light hand, like so. You're going to get more product. You're going to get your sponge very, very lightly. And from Sheluxe, and it's like super, super, super white. So that's why I'm saying you can go ahead and use white eyeshadow or like a skin tone eyeshadow that you have. See how white it looks? Use the pink. We're gonna go ahead and bring some of the pink as so. I didn't add any more product. So we're gonna let that powder just sit and bake. Back over to the palette. We'll be getting this pink. Look up. And ta-da! All right, we're officially done with the palette. Now, very top, and just blend even the yellow. All right, so for the lips, I would apply Dreamy from LA Girl. Is the final look. Or how do they do it? Like,